Hello guys, so in this video we are going to study about a very important topic from which every year one question can be expected. The topic is developmental milestones and it is a topic from pediatrics. So developmental milestones can be divided into three parts: fine motor, then comes gross motor, and lastly social and adaptive skills. So in these three arenas we will study. So first of all, what in fine motor, at 4 months bidextrous reach is achieved. Right, bidextrous reach means that the baby will reach or hold an object with two hands. Then at 6 months of age, the person or the baby will achieve unidextrous reach, means he or she will hold the object with one hand and also can transfer objects. At 9 months of age, immature pincer grasp is present. Immature pincer grasp means that whenever the person will hold something, he or she will not hold a grasp, not hold a whole hand of grasp of it. He or she will try to hold it with his index finger and the thumb, and in an immature manner. That is called immature pincer grasp. At 12 months it is, and also at 9 months, ulnar palmar grasp is present. Ulnar palmar grasp, very important. At 12 months, mature pincer grasp is present, very important. At 9 months, immature pincer grasp, and at 12 months, mature pincer grasp is present. At 15 months, immature scribbling and tower of two is present. Tower of two means that the baby can make by blocks tower of two, right? Two blocks, we will put two blocks together vertically to attain a tower of two. At 18 months, he or she will start scribbling and make tower of 3 blocks, right? At 2 years of age, he will or she will make tower of 6 blocks, and at 3 years of age, he or she will make tower of 9 blocks, right? Now comes at 4 years of age. At 4 years of age, the person or the baby can make a cross. How can we remember it? We can remember it very easily. At 4 years of age, plus can be made, right? And at 5 years of age, the person or the baby can make a triangle, right? Triangle. How can we remember it? Like this. I have taken this trick from Marrow, right? So at 5 years of age, the baby can make a triangle. At 4 years of age, he can or she can make a plus, and at 3 years of age, he or she can make a circle. How can we remember this? This is 3, and if we complete this lower part of 3, it makes a circle, right? So this is a way you can remember this particular topic, fine motor. Now coming to gross motor. In gross motor, at 3 months of age, the baby will start neck holding, means that he will or she will be able to hold his or neck. At 5 months of age, roll over is present. He will or she will roll over his or her whole body in the bed or in the floor, right? At 6 months of age, tripod sitting is present. Also sits with support. At 9 months of age, at 8 months of age, sits without support, right? At 6 months, sits with support, and at 9 months, sits without support, very important. At 9 months, stands with support, right? And what will happen in 12 months? At 12 months, stands without support, right? Stands without support. What will happen at 15? 15, he or she can walk upstairs. He or she can walk without support, right? And also can creep upstairs. At 18 month, very important, the baby will able to run. At 2 years, upstairs and downstairs movement is possible. 2 steps per steps, means he or she will put 2 feet for each step, right? Then at 3 years, walk upstairs 1 foot per step, and also will be able to ride a tricycle, right? Also will be able to ride a tricycle. How can we remember it? 3 is tri and here is tricycle, right? At 4 years of age, walks downstairs, but 1 foot per step. So are you getting it? So at 2 years of age, 2 foot, this is foot. At 2 years of age, 2 foot per steps, both upstairs and downstairs. At 3 years of age, upstairs only with 1 foot per step, and at 4 years of age, downstair only 1 foot per step, right? Now at 5 years, skip. The person will be able to skip. One more thing in 4 years, that is hop. The person will be able to hop, right? So how can we remember? HOPP has 4 words, so 4 years, very important, right? Now coming to social and adaptive skills. In social and adaptive skills, at 2 months, social smile is present. Social smile is present. In 3 months, recognizes mother. The person or the baby will be able to recognize his or her mother. How can we remember it? Mom. MOM, mom has 3 words. So 3 months. Right. At 6 months of age, stranger anxiety is present. Stranger anxiety is present. How can we remember it? Anxiety, X. X comes in 6. Right. So 6 months. This is the way I have remembered it. So I am telling you. Now at 9 months, the person will be able to wave bye bye. Right. The person or the baby will wave bye bye to you. Right. How I remembered this? Delete this E in wave and then count the numbers. Total number of letters 3, 3, 3. Add them up. Wave bye bye is 9 months. Right. Then at 12 months of age, plays simple games. Plays simple games. At 15 months of age, the person will speak Jagran. Jagran means illegible words which makes no sense, right? At 18 months of age, copies parents in task. The parents will be doing some task like watering the garden or something else, and the person or the baby will copy those tasks, right? At 2 years of age, 2-word statement. At 3 years of age, the person will attain gender identity. Means the person will understand he or she is male or female or not, right? Knows full name and shares toy. At 4 years of age, plays cooperatively with peer groups and goes to toilet alone. Right. At 5 years of age, the baby will be able to address and undress him or herself, right? So this is everything you need to remember in this particular topic. Now I am marking you the important parts in it. Not everything is important, but there are many things which are important. I'm marking it out to you. At 4 months of age in fine motor, bidextrous reach, it is required, very important. 6 months of age, unidextrous is important. No need to study transfer of objects. At 9 months of age, everything is important. Immature pincer is grasp is important, and ulnar palmar grasp has also been asked many times. At 12 months of age, mature pincer grasp, very important. 15 months, tower of 2, this is important. 18 months, tower of 3, important. 2 years, tower of 6, important. 3 years, tower of 9 is important. And making the circle is important. At 4 years, cross is important. At 5 years, triangle is important. In gross motor, at 3 months, neck holding is very important, has been asked many times. 5 months, rollover, not very important. 6 months, tripod sitting is very important. Sits with support, important. 8 months, sits without support, important. 9 months, stands with support, important. 12 months, stands without support is important. 15 months, walks without support is important. Creep upstairs is not important. 18 months, run is very, very important. At 2 years, upstairs, downstairs is not that important. 3 years, riding a tricycle is very important. 4 years, hop is important. 5 years, skip is important. Skips, SKIPS, 5 words, so 5 months, 5 years, sorry. Right. In social adaptive skill, 2 months, social smile, important. Recognizes mother, very important at 3 months. 6 months, stranger anxiety, very extremely important. 9 months, wave bye bye, important. 12 months, play simple games, not important. 15 months, Jagran, very important. 18 months, copies task, not important. 2 years, 2-word statement, very important. 2-word statement. Right. 3 years, gender identity is important. Knowing name, share toy is not important. 4 years, play cooperative. Cooperative word is important in 4 years. Right. 5 years, stress undress himself, not that important. So I have marked you the most important and non-important parts.